Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today's short article is about the recent flooding in Texas, and it's designed to help you learn new English vocabulary in context. As we read the article, I'll pause and explain important words and phrases. Let's begin. Heavy rains have caused severe flooding in parts of Texas, leading to dangerous conditions for many residents. Severe, very serious or extreme. Dangerous, not safe, likely to cause harm. Several cities have declared a state of emergency as rivers have overflowed and roads have become impassable. State of emergency, a special situation where the government can take quick action. Overflowed, when water rises and spills out of its normal place, like a river or lake. Impassable, cannot be passed through or crossed. Rescue teams have been working around the clock to help people trapped in their homes and vehicles. Rescue teams, groups of people who save others from danger. Around the clock, all day and night, without stopping. Local authorities are urging people to stay indoors and avoid traveling unless it is absolutely necessary. Authorities, officials, or people in power, like police or local government. Absolutely necessary, very important or required. You must do it. Some areas have lost electricity, and shelters have opened to provide food, water, and a safe place to stay. Shelters, safe buildings where people can go during a disaster. Meteorologists say the rain may continue for the next few days, increasing the risk of more flooding. Meteorologists, scientists who study and predict the weather. Let's quickly review some of the vocabulary we learned today. Severe, dangerous, overflowed, impassable, rescue teams around the clock, authorities, shelters, and meteorologists. If you heard any new words, try using them in your own sentence and leave it in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more English lessons using real news and stories.